Hi everyone, welcome to Tigner Adventures. This is David and Ninette, and we are in Paris, Texas.
Not France.
Yeah, Paris, Texas. So, and behind us there is the Eiffel Tower. If we can pan up there good enough,
yeah.
And you can see their version of it includes a big cowboy hat.
Yep.
So anyway, this is our first Quirky for this video, checking things out and seeing what's around here. So just working our way over to Arkansas, where we will be watching the solar eclipse. Woo-hoo! Especially if it's sunny like this would be perfect.
Yeah.
You can see the eclipse there is starting. You can see that the zoom really affects how much of the eclipse you can see. Okay, we're using the filter here on the camera. So I have the filter taped to the camera, and my iPhone is what's taking the picture at this point. The filter is for a phone camera. We are in Mena, Arkansas, visiting our friends Bill and Darla from Economic Refugees RV.
Did you say Fred's? No.
So this is
almost 100%.
That's right. Look at that. It's almost 100% at this point. So it's getting close.
Starting to get darker.
See, we are almost to a full eclipse. And it is getting darker out here. All right, so I don't have the filter on the camera anymore. The clouds kind of went over it, so we lost it. But you can see that it is getting dark out here.
All right, so here we are.
So,
this is the total eclipse.
yeah. Look at the lights on the side of the rig are coming on because it's so dark, but there's...
Now all we need is the earthquake.
So you can see the iPhone does really good in the dark. So it looks like it's light out here, but it is...
It is dark.
It's clear over there. On Jay, way over there, I can hardly see him with my bare eyes. So the camera is picking it up really good. So this gives you a little bit better view because I've got the camera facing me. It doesn't do the lighting the same as the other side. So you can see that it is dark out there across the field. And what we're doing is we're getting lights from all the solar lights on the rig being on. It's getting light fast now. It was so dark.
I've never done that before.
Look, we can see Bill again.
Lucky guy.
Now, Jay. Oh, he's putting his glasses back on. But let's look at the sky. You can see it's just a total clouds. We didn't see what Tansy thought. Did anybody check on Tansy? Tansy's probably just sleeping in here. Where is Tansy anyway? Oh, look at that. She just slept through the whole thing. Did you just sleep through the whole thing, huh? Was that pretty cool? Was that just pretty cool? You just slept through the whole thing. Did you know that it was dark out at all? Hmm? Yeah, you probably didn't even know it was dark. Oh well, that's okay. Not a lot you could really do about it anyway. Yep. You're doing good. So we got to see the eclipse and it's starting to get light again. It'll probably take a while before it gets fully light. So we want to say thanks to our friends. We got Bill and Darla for letting us come check out this. And we're in Arkansas, Mena, Arkansas. So we're in the full totality of the eclipse. And that is because our friends let us come stay here. So, yeah, Economic Refugees RV. Check them out. Well, we left our friends and we are now at Royal, Arkansas at Brady Mountain Campground on Lake Ouachita. Look at the view out our window here. And look what we see when we're just looking out our screen door as we're sitting in our lounge chairs. Perfect view of the lake. Look at the rain come down. It's amazing how much it is raining right now. Look, it's like a river running down from the campground back out into the lake. There's a lot of water out there. And it's kind of focusing on the raindrops and not the water outside, but maybe you can see it now. It is raining. And look at how windy it is today. This is ridiculous. Well, the storms have gone by. Look at this pretty morning. Just in time for us to leave this campground and head on to, we're gonna go up to Branson, Missouri. Very pretty campground though when the weather's cooperating. Nice blue sunny day today. Tansy's happy when the weather's nice and she gets to come out in her cage. When it's raining, we have to put the cage away. You having fun up there, Tansy? Huh? You having fun? Oh yeah. You like it on a nice pretty morning, don't you? Yeah. Oh yeah. Yeah. Getting your little scratches in, huh? Yeah, getting your little scratches in. And just like that, we are at another lake. This is called Table Rock Lake. It's just a couple miles away from Branson, Missouri. You see our site is pretty nice. It's actually a pull-through site, although it's got a really weird turn right there, so I just backed into it. We are on the overlooking Branson, Missouri. I guess there's the dam for the lake that we're parked on. So they do have a free trolley that goes around town called Ride Sparky. So we rode Sparky around town.
Yes, we did.
And it was free. We kind of got the layout of the town. We're just in a little piece of the town though, because Branson's pretty big. But this is the old area of Branson. And
This
anyway.
right here is kind of new.
Well, this area is new too. So if you look down through there, we're going to walk down through all those shops there. It goes all the way.
Yep. If you can't
forever.
find something that you like here, then you're out of luck.
Yeah, I'm lucky because we own an RV and we can't buy very much.
But there's a lot of food and a lot of little, things to do.
We'll find something though. So this is a fountain show. It's on the hour, every hour.
In 1 minute. How perfect timing.
All right, here it goes.
Fire, too.
Meow. Meow.
We don't have much for free, so.
And we found something else too, the Bass Pro Shops. So we are in the big mall here in Branson, just checking it all out.
This
is
call
along
it
the
a mall, but it's an outside mall.
Yep, and it's a lakefront.
I bet you it'd be pretty hot in the summertime.
Probably, but it
Just
feels really
right
good
now.
today. Yep, today is great. Parakeet Pete's zip line. What, you ready to go?
Are you?
Looks like here comes somebody down. Right across the lake here. It might be the river, yeah. I don't know what this guy in front's doing. Oh, it's like a two-seater. I see, interesting. So double rider is how much? $50?
$50.
So you
All
go,
day pass is $60.
they go up backwards and then they turn around and come back down frontwards. Interesting. Hey, look what we found. I'm not sure what we found actually. Is that a frog or is that?
Maybe he's a mushroom. I don't know.
Yeah, I don't know because if you
Mellow
look right here,
mushrooms.
this name of this place is called
Mellow
Mushrooms.
Pizza.
Yep, our daughter loves mushrooms, so this goes out to you, Janelle.
Yay!
We found Paula Dean and Ninette standing right next to her. Oh, we're good. Thank you.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, teach Ninette how to cook. Actually, she knows how to cook really good. But look, this is her kitchen. And Ninette is part of that kitchen.
It's a little bigger than mine.
Yeah, a little bit bigger. And that's a pretty nice stove too. So we found out that all the free tickets they're giving away here, there's several visitor centers and they're all timeshares. So you have to go listen to a timeshare to get your free tickets. Well, we're not very lucky today because the fish hatchery we were going to check out is closed until 2025. It's under construction. So then we come up here to the visitor center and it's only open Tuesday through Saturday. And today is Sunday. But we're not going to let that stop us. Look at this cool birdhouse right here. They have all these little, it is like a birdhouse condo. Look at all those birds. They are having a great old time. So that is the visitor center. It's closed, but it looks pretty inside there. We are out on the deck, so you can come out on the deck no matter what. So that's good. And there is the dam. So that dam is holding back a lot of water. This is a big lake. This is Table Rock Lake. Goes all over. If you look on the map here, it is a big lake. It's backed up for miles and miles, clear over into Arkansas. So originally we were going to stay at a campground in Arkansas, and I looked at that and I thought, well, if we want to see Branson, then we probably should, stay right here at this state park that we're staying at. So so I changed it. But the Corps of Engineers has built a lot of parks over there in Arkansas around Table Rock Lake. So pretty cool setup here and a lot of water. And the river that we seen yesterday was actually a river where they were ziplining. They were ziplining across the river. It comes from this dam and meanders down through town. We're looking through the glass. Can't see very good, but this is actually the first visitor center that we've seen that isn't trying to sell us tickets to a show. It looks like a actually legitimate visitor center. Closed Sunday and Monday, and it's open from 9 to 4 p.m. They have 2 levels here, so if we're looking downstairs here, you can see they have a bunch of displays down there, so that's pretty cool. So they do have a bike trail from here back to Table Rock State Park. That's where we are camping, and that's the trail that we seen on that side the first day we got here. So that would be fun. It's 1.4 miles. Or actually at the marina where we were at, it says 2.2. So I guess because that's all closed off, we're gonna go ahead and close out the video here. Looks like a pretty nice visitor center. So if you're here on some other day than Sunday and Monday, you can go in there and check it out. But anyway, we'll say our goodbyes here. Thanks for coming along with us. It's been a wild ride from Texas to here, and we'll just continue on going. So been a lot of fun, a lot of lake water.
Yeah, a lot of water.
And today, we've actually been at this place for 3 days now, and the weather has been pretty nice. A little windy in the afternoon, but nothing bad at all. So anyway, so thanks for coming along. Hope to see you down the road somewhere, but if we don't, then hopefully we'll see you on our next video. So you guys take care.
Bye.